What's up everybody? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Alli just released his new Egypt travel video titled Like Never Before, and I'm working on one of those editor review, editor reacts videos for it. While doing that, I noticed that the sound design for this video is just absolutely insane. So what I want to do is take away the visuals, let you listen to just the audio, and as we do that, I'm going to point out all the sound effects that I hear that I assume he added in there. I really want to do this because one, I want you to see how much work this man really put into the sound design, and I want you to see how much that enhances the video and makes it so much better. I'm not going to talk anymore. Hit like if you like this video, hit subscribe, click the bell if you want to see more, and let's check out this crazy sound design. Thanks for watching.